Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's where we're at today. So, I got the two lines ran through the transmission tunnel. Let's see if I can get this up here with some light. I got one of them threaded down by hand. Alright, light, get in there. Are you gonna work with me? So the other line's just kind of sitting on there, so that way I can get my lengths. That is a pain. And you got to be careful too, because it's aluminum, you know. You don't want to damage the fittings by cross-threading them. So I'm going to have to cut up some wrenches or use some stubby ones. But anyways, I got tired of fighting around all the crap, so I took all the stuff out of the inside of the car, put a couple rubber mats down. So I have to trim those lines. They're a little too long. It's another reason why I didn't tighten those up front, just in case I wanted to pull them out of the car. But let's see, I had to bend. You can kind of see, let me get the camera in the right angle first. There we go. So you can see those two metal lines right by the fitting. That's your heater control cable and your emergency brake cable. I had to, or the cable housing or sheath, whatever you want to call it. I had to bend those down to get some clearance for these fittings. And talk about a nightmare trying to get down there to even thread them on. So tightening them, that's going to be another fun ordeal, but I'll show you on the bottom where those came out. Yeah, I was looking for more light inside the car. I figure, you know what, instead of hanging a light, I got a big hole. Let the light from the garage shine in this sucker. So, alright, I have those coming out of the pan right there. Perfect for a 90 or a 45 to fit. Then I'll run the lines up to the bulkhead fittings that I have back here. So that'll work out sweet. So I'm going to get those other two lines cut. Got to get up off the ground first, but yeah, I'll get those two lines cut, reassembled, and then show you what it's like when it's all hooked back up. And then a while back, when I started doing these AN lines, I made this little deal out of I have one for dash 6 and dash 8. It's just an inline gauge T fitting. And then that goes into another T, and then a Schrader valve, and then a gauge, so I can pump it up. And then if it leaks, it obviously goes down. If it doesn't leak, it's good. So, I'll put you guys back on here in a minute. What is that, Noah? Is that the bug? Yeah. Alright, here's where we are at. Let's see if my light's in here. I don't think it is. Anyways, I got those lines hooked up. I'll show you that in a minute. Got the test gauge hooked up. Been holding right around 90 for about 20 minutes. Good sign. That was a total pain in the ass to hook up in the back side of the tunnel. I have a small wrench I made. Come on, Noah, hold the door open for me. Let's see if I can get a picture of this. That was a tight squeeze down there, getting those things tight. And you'll see the wrench that I had to make. Excuse me, son. Excuse me. Thank you. Good job, buddy. You gonna help work on the car? Huh? So there you can see the wrench that I made barely on the left. Still sitting on the fitting. It was tight. But it's hooked up. So that's awesome. One more thing done. Hey, son. You ready to say bye-bye to everyone? Huh? He's gone. Alright, everybody. That's it for this round. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Until next time. Catch you guys on the flip side.